Hi, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido. We're out here in the West Desert of Utah, just west of the Bonneville Salt Flats. You may have seen that in an earlier episode. If not, I'll put the link down below for you so you can check that out. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is our solar setup. What we have is a Renogy 200 watt folding solar suitcase. I'll put a link to that in the description down below as well. We use that to maintain our batteries when we're boondocking. We've been out here for 2 days now and we haven't had to touch the generator once. What I do is I use an inverter that I've installed inside the trailer to power all the 110 outlets right off our batteries. And I'm just going to walk you through the setup a little bit and show you. So the Renogy is comprised of two 100 watt panels. It comes with a PWM solar controller, which you can see back here. The batteries are at 13.6 volts or 100%, and that's the reason it's not putting out a lot of juice right now. We're getting 19 volts, but 3.4 amps off of it. I'll get as much as 10 or 11 amps in bright sunshine if the battery is depleted. These are high quality monocrystalline solar panels, and 200 watts is the biggest solar suitcase we've found. The whole unit weighs about 34 pounds. At the time of this video production, it's only available from Renogy as an open box or refurbished unit, but at a substantial discount. Now the Renogy comes with MC4 connectors. Normally they go to alligator clamps, which really didn't make much sense for us. So what I did was I put in an MC4 to SAE adapter, and then I ran a 10-foot SAE line, or 10-foot cord, wire back here, 10 gauge. And that goes to an SAE connector I have right here. That SAE connector goes directly to my battery boxes. That way I don't need to open the battery boxes each time to be able to connect the solar panel. I'm running two GC4 golf cart batteries. They're 6 volts each and they're wired in series to make 12 volts. Now this is my kind of hokey little setup as far as the inverter goes, but it does work and it keeps all outlets powered. What I have here is a 1500 watt power inverter that I have bolted to the ceiling of the basement. And what that does is I've got a little dog bone that'll convert that to a 30 amp plug, and I just plug the trailer directly into that. And I use 0 gauge for minimal voltage loss. Those are only 6-foot cables. Those go from the battery bank through the front of the trailer directly right into that inverter. So that's about it. It's really a simple setup, a short video to show you how we maintain power while we're boondocking. Like I said, I'll put links to all the necessary information below if this is something that you'd like to replicate. It keeps us completely powered up. I have the generator with me because, you know, if I run into a string of cloudy days, I may have a problem keeping up. But for the most part, especially here in the Intermountain West, I've always got enough sun. As always, we hope you subscribe. Put the subscription link right here on the screen or down below. Of course, you'll be able to subscribe to our channel to make sure that you catch every episode of Grand Adventure. And before you leave, don't forget, life is nothing but a grand adventure. See you soon.